So, a while back, I decided to make something I've always dreamt of, striped trousers similar to classic English morning dress. I call them derby, a nod to the elegant tailcoats and striped trousers worn by gentlemen at early 20th century horse derby. Back then, these trousers were worn with morning tailcoats, and I wanted to capture that timeless elegance in these trousers. To start, I modified one of my patterns I've used for several trousers, and to include 5 cm cuffs. I also added a watch pocket along with some standard side pockets. Honestly, this was my first time making a watch pocket, so it came out a little narrow, but it's perfect for keys or small accessories. The inside is lined with cotton, hand sewn for a seamless finish, and I experimented with eyes and hooks in a way I hadn't tried before. Once each leg was constructed, I did some top stitching to reinforce the seams and also to improve the drape. What I love most about these trousers is the balance of style. The darker striped pattern can go casual or formal, while features like the top stitching, baggier fit, cuffs, and seamless waistband add a subtle flair of sophistication, or as I like to call it, just a formal touch. If you are unsure about fashion, altering, or tailoring, my book covers all this and more, everything I've learned so far. The side seams feature a hidden inseam side adjuster. It's inspired by DAX side adjusters, making the adjustment mechanism much less visible than traditional buckles. This was done without elastic. Now, let's talk some mistakes, because my project has a lot of them. Firstly, the side adjusters. They came out slightly off due to the interior fabric stretching, causing the waistband to pull backward and putting extra strain on the button. Secondly, the cuffs. These use hooks and eyes, which makes cleaning easier, but it also adds a lot of bulk. A simpler solution could have been a button opening, which would reduce seam thickness. And the biggest lesson, the fork and back seams were too high, causing puckering and restricting movement, which is definitely something I'll adjust in some future designs and something to keep in mind when creating a pattern. If you enjoy my work and want to support future videos, there's a link in the video description. Got design ideas or spotted mistakes I missed? Drop a comment, I love hearing your thoughts. Other than that, hats off, ladies and gents.